Log in with link and the details your consultant sent you. Your plan and expiry date are already set up. No card, no setup. Before we open anything, this is the whole route in order. Questionnaire, then learning, then practice. You cannot skip ahead. Score 70 or more in all 14 sections and the mock module opens. Pass 12 of the 20, then one human-reviewed final. Green, amber, or red. This is your dashboard. Everything happens in the red rail on the left. Questionnaire, learning, practice, mock. Do them in that order. 4 cards, 4 modules. Questionnaire, learn, practice, then mock interview. Open a module and its tutorial plays first. Watch it. It saves you hours. This one teaches the shape of a good answer. Situation, difficulty, action, lesson. Every tutorial is in 5 languages. English, Hindi, Punjabi, Nepali, Gujarati. There is one for each module and one for each of the 14 sections. Then Custer stops you with a card. Do not skip it. Read all 4 points. 1. This questionnaire is the base of your entire training. Fill it carefully and honestly. 2. Keep your details ready. University, course, fees, scholarship, funds, education history. 3. Use add your own wherever you can, so the answers are genuinely yours. 4. Rushing or vague answers here weaken every stage that follows. Tick the box to confirm you have read it and the 63 questions open. Pick your university and campus. You can prepare for up to 3. Answer honestly. Everything the AI writes later is built from this. Some questions are simple picks, like choosing 5 hobbies. Not on the list? Add your own. That keeps the answer yours. Each of the 14 sections has its own video too. Switch it to your language whenever you want. Watch at least 60%. Only then is your answer generated. In learning, a second card appears, and this is the most important one in CASTA. 1. Review every answer and edit it to fit you. Never lock blindly. 2. Check the university website and your course page first so the facts are right. 3. Make it simple. Works only once per answer. Finish your editing first. 4. Once locked, an answer can never be changed. It is the basis of every score. 5. If you are unsure about anything, ask for help before you log. Tick to confirm, and the section opens for learning. Your answer is written from your own profile, section by section. Read it, then edit it until it sounds like you, not a script. Make it simple, rewrites it in plainer words. Once per answer only, then lock it. Locked answers are final. Now, practice. Unlimited attempts on camera scored by AI. First, choose the language you want your feedback written in. The report comes back in the one you pick. Then, choose the section you want to practice and submit. The section opens as a numbered set, 1 take each. 15 seconds to think before each one. Press start when you are ready. You get a short countdown, then 1 take. Just like the real call, answer the question, then hit stop recording. Seconds later, your analysis result. Overall score, how close you were to the ideal answer and the points you missed. How you sounded, pitch, pace, pauses, fumbles, nerves, then eye contact, time used, and whether you were alone in the room. After a few sessions, CASTA builds your overall performance overview. One index for everything, plus what is improving and what is not. It ranks your focus areas. Work down that list, top first. Integrity violations are counted here too. Always practice alone. The same report exists section by section, all 14 of them. Pick a section and you get its own score, its own violations, its own trend. Every parameter is sorted, improving, declining, or still needing work. This is the page that tells you exactly what to practice next. Last module, mock tests. It unlocks once you pass all 14 sections in practice. 20 sets of 25 to 30 questions, the same ground as practice, asked differently. Then one final supervised mock. A real person decides green, amber, or red. And section 14 is stricter. 45 seconds an answer, always human reviewed. Stuck on anything technical? The button in the bottom right corner is always there. Pick the issue type and where it happened. Describe the problem in your own words. Attach a screenshot if you have one. Submit. You get a reference number and a reply within 24 hours.